Dear students of BSc second semester 4, paper number 8 is plant metabolism. In this unit number 1 is nitrogen metabolism. We will see the introduction of nitrogen metabolism. Plant require many inorganic elements or the synthesis of different organic substances require for its proper growth and development. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The element nitrogen is one of the most essential element for the plant, like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In the living organisms, it is essential. It is present in nucleic acid, proteins, growth hormones and amino acids, which plays an important role in physiological and biological processes. It is present in atmosphere in the form of nitrogen gas. It is 78% by volume and major gas in the atmosphere. Green plants are unable to use this nitrogen directly in their metabolism. Only some organisms can convert the nitrogen gas into organic forms. Such microorganisms are responsible for addition of atmospheric nitrogen in organic form in the soil and make it available to the green plants. So, nitrogen gas is very important gas. It is 78% by volume and major gas in the atmosphere, and green plants are unable to use this directly. It is present in soil and called as soil nitrogen. In the soil, it is present in form of nitrate nitrogen, ammonia nitrogen or molecular nitrogen. Green plant absorb nitrates by nitrate assimilation process. Few plants absorb ammonia and ammonium salts from the soil. The conversion of the free nitrogen by natural or physical process is known as nitrogen fixation. When any biological system is involved in it, it is called as biological nitrogen fixation, in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. The nitrate nitrogen is absorbed by the plants, is converted into ammonia by nitrate reduction process. For the synthesis of organic compounds, nitrates and ammonia are assimilated by plant using enzymes nitrate reductase and nitrogenase. Some microorganisms or prokaryotic simple cells can carry out nitrogen fixation due to presence of specific genome and nitrogenase enzyme. Genes which are associated with nitrogen fixation are called as a NEF genes. Now we will start to study the process of nitrate reduction. Nitrate is the most abundant form in the soil and it is available to the plants that do not form nitrogen fixing symbiotic associations. The form of nitrogen used in metabolic reaction is ammonium, which is reduced form of nitrogen. So when nitrogen is get reduced, ammonia is formed. Nitrogen is absorbed in oxidized form and it is utilized in the metabolic reaction in the reduced form. That reduced form is ammonia. Nitrate assimilation process shows conversion of nitrate to ammonia. The conversion of nitrate to ammonia is called as nitrate reduction. The nitrate reduction is a two-step process and catalyzed by two different enzymes. The first step is nitrate is reduced to nitrite, that is NO NO3 is converted into NO2 by the enzyme nitrate reductase. This nitrate reductase is metallofluoroprotein enzyme and it is synthesized only in the presence of NO3, that is nitrate, indicate that it is an inducible enzyme. The nitrate reductase enzyme shows presence of flavin adenine dinucleotide as prosthetic group and molybdenum activator. The process requires hydrogen donor which is supplied in the form of reduced enzymes NADPH2 or NADH2 by respiration. During reduction process, FAD receives hydrogen donor from NADPH2 or NADH2. Hydrogen donor and molybdenum serve as electron carrier. This reaction represents first step of the nitrate reduction. NO3 is get converted into NO2. In the next slide, we will see the reactions in detail. The enzyme nitrate reductase is present in the cytosol and because of its inducible nature, it is synthesized only when it is required for reduction process. The product of first step, that is NO2, then moves into the plastids in roots or chloroplastids in the leaves, where it is quickly reduced to ammonia by the enzyme nitrate reductase. This figure shows different steps in the nitrate reduction process. NADPH or NADH convert into NADP or NAD. FAD will convert into FADH2. Then reduced molybdenum. Hydrogen ions are formed by oxidation of molybdenum and then NO2 is converted into NO3, releasing hydrogen molecule. So this reaction shows process of nitrate reduction in which NO2 get converted into NO3. Then we will see the second step, which shows formation of ammonia. During this reaction, reduced coenzyme molecules NADPH2 or NADH2 supply hydrogen essential for the reduction. When the reaction occurs in roots and when reaction occurs in a chloroplastids, reduced ferredoxin act as hydrogen donor. The reaction can be represented by equation 8 hydrogen molecules plus nitrite plus 8 electrons will form ammonia and hydrogen molecules. The assimilation of nitrate is carried out in the cells of root as well as in the cells of shoot system, that is in the leaf. When nitrate concentration in the soil is very low, nitrate reduction occurs in roots and nitrogen is translocated in form of the amino acids from the roots to aerial organs. Aerial organs of the plant means stem, leaves, flowers, seeds. When nitrate concentration in the soil is very high, the assimilation of nitrate takes place in the leaves. Like this, in the process of nitrate reduction, ammonium is formed, which is reduced form of nitrogen, and it is assimilated in the plants. Thank you.